Okay, so let's go to problem sample. So problem states that design the spacing of 12 mm main bars along the short direction, specifically middle strip of a 4 meter by 5 meter by 150 millimeter corner slab as shown in the figure. So carrying a superimposed dead load of 4 kN per meter squared and a uniform live load of 4.8 kN per meter squared. So use FC prime 28 megapascal, FY 350 megapascal, and gamma C equals to 23.5 kilonewton per cubic meter. So use moment coefficient method on designing the slab. So for the solution, okay, so we need to get first the uniformly distributed load, WDL, which is equal to W weight of the slab, then plus the given superimposed dead load of 4 kilonewton per meter squared. So it is equal to 23.5, or gamma of concrete multiplied by its thickness, which is 0.150 meter, then plus 4. So it is equal to 7.531 kilopascal. Then for the WLL, so it is given, so you can check it from our table uh, from NSCP. So what type of slab or occupants uh, or intended use of slab. So 4.8 kilopascal is the given. So now we need to compute for the factored floor load, which is WU. So for the factored floor load, so the formula is load combo is 1.2 WDL and plus 1.6 WLL. So for WDL, okay, so 1.2 multiplied by 7.531 kilopascal. So 9.037 kilopascal. And then for WLL, so 1.6 W, 1.6 multiplied by 4.8 kilopascal. Okay, so it is equivalent to 7.68 kilopascal. So pinag-iwalay talaga natin yung uniformly distributed load for dead load and live load para magamit natin yan dun sa given table natin for moment coefficient for slab. Okay, and then WU is equal to 16.717 kilopascal. Okay, so for M, okay, so also kailangan natin yung factor or ratio of shorter span uh, over longer span natin, which is yung M. So magagamit natin yan later also dun sa table given. So LA, which is the shorter span, okay, so this is the LA, and then this one is the LB, okay, which is the longer span. So 4.0 divided by 5.0. So for our M, this is equal to 0.8. Okay, so also ready na rin natin yung computation for effective depth. Okay, so effective depth, okay, so effective depth, okay, let me draw the section of the slab. Example, this is the thickness of the slab. Then we have a bottom bar. Okay, that this is uh, positive. Okay, positive uh, moment. Okay, then the effective depth is measured from the in this case positive moment, um, top low or top fiber of the slab up to the middle or the centroid of the bottom bar. So this is the effective depth. So simply, so we have here also the thickness or the thickness of the slab. So simply, for our D is equal to the thickness minus, okay, minus half of this one, half of the half of the diameter of the rebar. So then also this one is the concrete cover of the slab. So D is equal to T minus half of the diameter of the rebar, and then minus clear cover. Okay, from our code, okay, so CC is equivalent to 20 millimeter. So given also the main bar diameter, so 12 mm. So for our thickness, 150 millimeter. So 150 minus 1/2 of 12, then minus 20. So D is equal to 124 millimeters. Okay. So, yeah. And then the requirement is to solve for the spacing of 12 mm main bars along short direction only. Okay. Or at the middle strip. So from our code also, so middle strip is measured from the face. Okay, so you can draw first the column strip. This one is called the column strip distance, so it is measured L over 4. So from this point or face of the column, so L over 4, then L over 4 for this side. So this one is the column, or sorry, this one is called the middle strip. Okay. This one is the middle strip, and then this one is the, this portion is the column strip. Okay, so for this representation, the middle strip here and column strip are along short direction. Okay, so along short direction, and then this one also is along short direction. Okay, so the next one, you need to or we need to determine what type of slab. Okay, uh, what type of slab are we going to design? So in this case, we have a corner slab. So this side has continuous. Okay, so dahil meron pa siyang katabing slab dito, slab, another slab, and then another slab. Okay, so for this side naman, okay, this side, okay, and this side, okay, okay, so this two adjacent side, so it is discontinuous. Okay, so for our moment, so our bending here is just like this one. Okay, so or bending is negative from here, and then positive the middle span, then negative for the edges of the slab. Okay, so we need to also to uh, designate those moment. So this part is uh, let's say this one is MA plus. Okay, so A or subscript A, um, so subscript A is for shorter span. Okay, so positive. So this one also, yan, pares lang din yan. Then for this one, MA, so negative. So yung katabi niyang edges is discontinuous. So mahalaga yan, mamaya gagamitin natin yan. And then this one, MA negative lang. So MA negative, MA negative, but this one is discontinuous. Okay? So ayun, when we now um, determine the edges of the or sides of the slab, so you can check the table. Okay, so this one is a case for slab. Okay, so under, so it is a two adjacent edges continuous, or simply two edges simply two adjacent edges discontinuous also. Okay, so after that, okay, so we need to check for, or we need to go to the table for the moment coefficient naman. Okay, so yung flash ko na lang dito yung table natin. So unahin natin yung coefficient for negative moment of slab. So coefficient, okay, so coefficient using let's say unahin natin yung coefficient for negative moment. Okay, okay, so negative moment short direction, yun lang naman yung requirement natin. So this one is MA, oh sorry, for coefficient C muna siya, so CA negative. Okay. So using table 1, okay, so i-flash ko na lang dito yung table natin. Okay. So CA is CA negative is equal to 0.071. So kailangan natin yung M, okay, so first column yon, which is 0.8. Okay, and then the case now case of the slab, so case number 4. Okay, okay, so next will be for the coefficient for positive naman tayo moment. So CA plus. Okay, so CA A plus, so meron tayong dalawang positive moments, no, coefficient for positive moment. Meron tayong dead load and meron din tayong live load. So magkahiwala yung table natin for dead load and live load. And then later i-add natin yan yung dead load and live load positive moments. So using table 2, so yan, pa-flash natin dyan. So our CA plus, so CA, so meaning short direction, positive moment, so ito yun, itong point na to. So coefficient nyan, so CA is equal to 0.039. And after that, yung coefficient naman for positive moment naman para naman sa live load. Okay, so using table 3, so CA, bigyan natin DL dito. CA plus LL, then 0. This is equivalent to 0.014. So yung mga coefficient na to, nakuha yan using using computers na, no? Medyo mahirap kasi yung analysis, no? Yung paulit-ulit na analysis nung pagkuha ng moments nung slab natin. So, using computers, no, given na, no, or inaalaw tayo ng codes natin na gumamit na agad ng mga coefficient natin. Okay, so for moment naman ng slab, okay, so for moment of slab, unahin natin yung negative moment. So simply, yung formula natin, MA, CA, so W, and then L, whichever, no, kung either short direction or long direction, LA or LB. But in this case, syempre A to, so A din yung ating subscript for length. So LA squared. So for negative moment, MA negative is equal to CA, yung ating coefficient dito, negative, then W, AU, no? So ultimate na to. So sa negative moment, so WU na siya, no? Okay, so ultimate or factored floor load na yung gagamitin natin. Then multiply by LA squared. So it is equal to 0.071. Then WU is K 16.717. Then LA is 4. Okay. So this one is LA. So 4 squared. Then for our positive moment naman, so yung positive moment natin dalawa. Okay, may positive moment tayo para sa dead load. So formula natin CA plus this one is for our dead load, W U, so DL, no, dead load lang, no. So ito yung WU DL, ito, yung 1.2 times the WDL. And then multiply by LA squared again. So our coefficient for positive moment for dead load, applied dead load is 0.039. Then multiply by 9.037. And then LA is 4 squared. Okay. Then for our positive moment naman, para kay live load, okay, so same lang, but babaguhin mo lang coefficient and W U L L. Okay, so say LL is 0.048, and then WULL is equal to 7.678. 7.68. Yan, and then 4 squared. Okay. So next is ayan, meron na tayong MA negative, MA plus DL, then MA plus LL. Okay, positive moments natin. So pagsamahin na natin itong dalawa. Okay, so MA plus is equal to, add mo lang yan, so MA plus DL, then plus MA plus LL. So ayan. Okay, so compute na natin. So for our ito na lang siya, for our MA negative, okay, so for our MA negative, it is equal to 18.991 kilonewton meter. And then MA positive na to, so i-add ko na yung dalawa natin, yung MA plus DL and then MA plus LL. Okay, so it is equal to 11.537 kilonewton meter. Okay. So ano na lang kailangan natin? So This one, okay na to. Then, okay na to. So, ito naman, iba to, no? So, kapag discontinuous, okay, flash ko na lang din dyan. So, from table 1, kapag negative moments naman at discontinuous edges, yung kinukuha natin, they are assumed to be 1/3 of the positive moment in the same direction. Okay, so i-flash natin. So, ayun. So, yung MA negative natin, discontinuous yan. Okay, so lagay natin ganyan. Is just 1/3 of MA plus. Okay, so it is equal to 1/3 nitong 11.51 at 537 natin is equal to 3.846 kilonewton meter. So, ito na yung ating mga moments. Pag nakuha mo na yung mga moments na yan, ready na tayo for designing. Okay, so unahin na muna natin yung spacing of reinforcement. Okay. So, for spacing of reinforcement, so, NSCP section 409.6.1.2. So, yung tinatawag na minimum steel ratio. Okay. So, or Romin. Okay, Romin yan. It is, or shall be the greater of, yung una, yung 0.25 or square root of FC prime divided by 4 Fy. Yan. Pwedeng ito. Or, okay. Okay, so greater sa dalawang to. Or Romin natin is equal to 1.4 Fy. Okay, so given yung mga yan, so square root of so from our given, square root of 28, okay, yung ating FC prime, then yung ating Fy is 350. So 28 divided by 4, then multiply by 350. Okay, so 1/4 or 1.4 divided by 350. So ito naman yung para sa another Romin. So it is equal to 0.00378 para dun sa una. And then yung isa naman is 0.0040. Okay? So greater between those two. Okay? So yung pangalawa yung mag-go-over. Okay? And then kunin na din natin yung requirement for, so requirement muna for minimum flexural reinforcement. Okay, so minimum flexural reinforcement. So makikita yan sa NSCP section, so 2015 lagi tayo, no? Yung NSCP section 408.6.1. So AS minimum is equal to 0.0020 kg. So I think this one is under less than 420 no? Megapascal yung FC prime natin. So 0.002 AG yung formula natin dito. Okay, so 0.002 AG. AG is gross, no? Area gross. So BH yun. Or B B is 1,000. So 1 meter strip yung gagamitin muna natin. And H is the thickness, no, ng ating slab. So 0.002 multiplied by 1,000 multiplied by 150 mm. So 300 millimeter squared para sa ating minimum flexural reinforcement. So check natin yan mamaya doon kung okay sila. And then another requirement sa flexural reinforcement spacing naman tayo, no? Okay, so spacing. So, ang kinukuha natin is main bar. Okay, so it is under section 408.7.2. Okay, so sabi natin, so yung maximum spacing natin, which is yung S, shall be the lesser. So, lesser of, yung dalawa, no, yung 2H or 450. Okay, so for our 2H is equal to 300, so 150 times 2, then is 450. So, gagamitin natin dyan later is the 300. Check natin yung spacing. So, ito yung magiging minimum spacing natin. Then, for ductility requirement naman, okay, medyo rarely, no? Okay, na nag-govern to. Or, nadi-disregard itong requirement na to, which is yung Romax natin. Okay. So, for our Romax, so, formula lang natin dyan is 3/7 multiplied by 0.85 FC prime, then, beta 1 divided by Fy. So, same lang din yan dun sa ating beam. Okay. So, 3/7 0.85 FC prime is 28 multiplied by 0.85 for our beta. Then, Fy is 350. Okay. So, it is equal to 0.0248. Okay. Okay. So, rho max. So, dapat yung rho natin is in between. Siyempre, rho min. Okay. Rho max. Okay. In between rho min and rho max. Okay. Another requirement, no? Pero pwede mong gamitin na yung rho min agad. If ever na bumaba yung rho mo na na-compute later sa rho min, so pwede mo nang gamitin to, sabi ng code. Or the other one is the 0.75 of rho, no? Whichever is smaller, no? So dalawa. Itong dalawang to. Pero depende na yun sa designer kung ano yung gagamitin niya. Yung rho min ba or yung 0.75 ng rho. So, yung iba yung kapag medyo nagtitipid, okay, pero pasok pa rin sa code, okay, so safe pa rin. So, ginagamit nila pag bumaba yung rho mo, yung 0.75 or 3/4 of rho mo dun sa rho min, okay. So, pag mas mababa ito, so ito yung ginagamit nila. Pero iba naman, automatically, no, rho min na yung ginagamit. Okay, so kino-compare pa nila yung nasa 0.75 of rho. Okay, no, so nasa code din. Pero yun, no, gamitin na natin yung rho min na lang. Okay, so kunin na natin yung spacing ng mga reinforcement natin. So based dun sa mga nakuha nating moments, so negative moments and positive moments. Okay, so unahin natin yung spacing. Ayan. So spacing at negative moment, okay, and slab. So meaning ito yon, ito spacing na itong bar na to. Okay, so spacing of negative moment, so for MA negative, so equal yan sa na-compute natin 18.991 kilonewton per kilonewton meter. So our MU, okay, so ultimate moment is equal to phi multiplied by rho Fy, and then BD squared, then 1 minus 0.59 rho Fy over Fc prime. So, ito na yung rho na ko-compare natin doon sa rho min and then rho max. Then, yun, nakuha na natin yung MA, which is, yun, yung MA negative. Ito na yung ultimate na gagamitin natin also dito sa formula na to. So, 18.991 kilonewton per kilonewton meter. So, kilonewton meter yan, pero kailangan natin is in Newton millimeter. No? So, gawin natin times 10 raised to 6. So, equals, so for flexure, 0.9 yung ating, so 0.9 yung ating phi, and then rho is unknown. So, our B is 350. Okay. And then, our D is, our D is, B is 350. Okay. This one. Okay. Sorry, our Fy is 350. So, 350 MPa. And then, for our B, so yun, 1,000. Yung ating 1 meter strip. Then, for our D, effective depth, nakuha natin kanina, 124 squared. And then, 1 minus 0.59 rho, 350 Fy, sorry. Not 350. So, yeah, 350. Fy is 350. And then, Fc prime is 20. Yan. Okay, so you can use your calculator to solve for the rho. So our rho here is 0.00404. Okay, so it is greater than, greater than rho mean. Okay naman siya. Okay, so rho mean natin 0.004, and then less than our rho max, which is 0.0248. Okay. So, okay. So, pasok siya, no? So, use this rho. Okay. And then, after that, kunin na natin yung AS. Okay. So, AS is equal to rho BT. Okay. So, 0.00404 multiply by B is 1,000, 1 meter strip, and then 124 for our D. Okay, so it is equivalent to 500.96 millimeter squared. Okay, so check din natin yan doon sa AS mean natin. So, our AS mean is 300 millimeter squared. Okay, so pasok pa rin siya, no? So, greater than AS mean, so 300 millimeter squared. So, okay. And then this one is okay also. Then spacing, no? Spacing S. Okay. So, for our S, spacing, so, kunin mo lang yung ratio ng AB over AS, or AS and AB. Then, multiply natin yan sa 1,000. Kasi 1 meter strip nga yung kino-consider natin. Okay, so AB, or area of the bar, is pi over 4. And then, gamit daw tayo ng 12 mm main bar. Then, divided by the computed AS. Then, multiply by 1,000. Okay, so AS, yung spacing natin is equal to 225.61 mm. So, check natin kung mas mababa siya dun sa spacing natin, minimum spacing. So, minimum spacing is 300 din. So, 300 mm is greater than. Okay, so, okay din tayo dito. So, pasok siya. So, yun, okay na. So, thus, we need to use, or we intended to use S is equal to 2 to 5.761 millimeters. Okay, so ito na yun. Sagot natin. So, that is for negative moment. Okay. And then next, punta na tayo sa spacing naman, no? Sa positive moment naman tayo at positive moment. Okay. So, positive moment natin is equal to 11.537 kilonewton meter. So, MU, again, no? Kunin lang natin tong formula na to. Okay. Ayan. Copy. Then, paste. So, same lang din yan. Yun yung gagamitin natin. So, for our M, 11.537 times 10 raised to 6. Then, phi is 0.9. and then rho again, then Fy is equal to 350, then multiply by 1000, then multiply by 124 squared. Okay, then multiply by 1 minus 0.59 rho. So Fy is 350 divided by 28. Okay, so rho for this one is equal to 0.00243. Okay, so it is, kung mapapansin nyo, it is less than rho mean. Okay, so hindi siya pasok. Okay, so kanina, no? So yung may rho 0.75 of rho, pwedeng gamitin mo yun kung ano mas maliit doon sa rho mean, tsaka 0.75 rho. Pero in this case, gamitin na lang natin yung rho mean na lang. Okay, so not okay siya, no? So use our rho mean. So yung rho natin is equal to 0.004. Then okay na siya, no? Okay naman siya dun sa rho max. So mas maliit naman yung rho mean dun sa rho max. So okay tayo dun. Then AS natin, so check din natin yung AS natin kung mas mataas siya dun sa AS mean. So rho BD for our AS. So rho natin na gagamitin is 0.04. Then BD is 1000. Then for our D is 124. So calculate nyo na lang. Then 496 millimeters squared yung ating AS. So it is greater than for our compared dun sa AS minimum natin, which is 300. So okay tayo dito. And then spacing naman, spacing again. So for us spacing, so S is equal to AB over AS, then 1000, then divide equals to pi over 4, 12 squared, then gawin natin yung 1000 dito, and then AS is 496 millimeter squared. So 490 S is equivalent to 228.019 millimeter. So it is less than minimum natin for our spacing, so 300 mm. So okay tayo dito. Okay, so ayan, take note, kapag spacing yung tinutukoy, so yung mas mababa, yung mas safe. Okay, safer yung mas mababa or mas masinsin na spacing, okay, for slab. So thus use S is equal to 228.019 millimeter for MA positive naman to. And then lastly, for our spacing naman at MA, no, negative sa discontinuous part or discontinuous side. Okay, so yun, same process lang. So yung nakuha kong rho dito is equal to 0.0080. So it is again, no, it is less than rho mean. Okay, so less than rho mean siya, so gamitin mo yung rho mean. Okay, so rho mean natin is 0.004. Okay, so same result with the spacing at MA plus or positive moment natin. So yung S natin is also this one. Okay, so copy and then paste ko na lang dito. And then baguhin ko na lang yung MA minus discontinuous. Okay, so yan, ito na yung mga spacing natin for our main bar, no? Along short. Okay, so again, no, so this one is measured or spaced 228.019 millimeters, and then this is spaced at um, based on computation, 225 millimeters. Okay. Then this one is spaced also 228.019 millimeter. Okay. Um, it is not feasible to use different spacing. Okay? Kapag nag-a-adapt tayo ng what you call the bent bar. Kasi dire-diretso yun, mahirap. Okay? So, we will use the common round down spacing. So, pinaka masinsin dyan is this one, yung 225 millimeter. So, throughout along, okay, along short direction, yung ating main bar is spaced at, okay, 225 millimeters for the middle strip. Okay, so this is along short direction. Short direction. Okay, so that is the end of our problem. Thank you.